Alright guys, we have to talk about GTA 6. The hype, the crazy leaks and the non-stop silence from Rockstar. Watch this video till the very end. It will be very helpful for you. First, let's talk about the rumors. Lately, there's been a ton of talk online. People dropping leaks and insider infos here and there. And everyone is trying to guess the exact release date of GTA 6. Rockstar's official word is 2025 fall. But I don't think GTA 6 will be launching on 2025. The reason? There is an insider leaks happening, insider info leaked where claims that there will be a big delay till 2026. Rockstar is like a mysterious friend of ours who doesn't even reply to our text but show up out of nowhere. They haven't said a single thing since the trailer dropped back in 2023, and that silence is only making the hype grow bigger. And the fan theories are getting wilder day by day. Some fans are getting really frustrated. They are like, say something, Rockstar. Still, what I think is, it's kind of their thing. They are very quiet, they just cook up something massive, and boom, the internet explodes. That's how Rockstar does each and every time. This whole 12 years delay has made a major change in the gaming industry. The gaming community. You got half of the community hyped beyond reason and the other half just tired of waiting. Memes are flying here and there and forums are going nuts, literal nuts. I was researching for this video and I saw a Reddit thread. Some folks are literally planning their vacation around the release date. Honestly, when you check each and every platforms, there are a couple of threads which bring people together, and there are other forums and threads where people go against like crazy. Like they are literally abusing Rockstar. Alright, let's dig a little deeper. Industry experts says, the folks who've been in the gaming scene forever are saying that this might be Rockstar's most ambitious project ever. Like we've been talking next level open world, crazy AI, huge map, and what else? Like it's gonna literally make the whole world, the whole open world gaming community insane. When you look deeper into Rockstar's past, GTA 4 dropped somewhere around 2008 and GTA 5 in 2013. This 12-year gap between GTA 5 and GTA 6 kinda actually fits their style. As Rockstar says, fall 2025. But what I'm recommending is you should expect this game somewhere around early 2026 instead. So everyone might have this question, what could the delay mean? I'll explain. Now, if this thing get delayed again, what happens is, well, most importantly, Rockstar's reputation might take a tiny hit because people trust them. People patiently waiting for a game since last 12 years. Like too much silence and delays and angry fans, uninstalling GTA 5, cancelling all Rockstar games, this will affect them a lot. The competition is heating up really quick. Games like Starfield, Assassin's Creed, and some surprise indie bangers are all ready to hit the ground. So what I'm saying is, if Rockstar waits too long, they might not own the spotlight the way they used to be. We still have to talk about the future of this game. Yes, right now GTA 6 hype train is moving at full speed. The trailer broke YouTube record. 90 million views in 24 hours. That's first time for a non-music video, YouTube video. In addition to this, there are some speculation where Rockstar actually paused the development of GTA 6 somewhere around 5 years ago just to develop Red Redemption 3 because they want to gain money. Like Rockstar is totally money-brained company. They want to gain so much money. And the insiders are claiming that Rockstar will hit $3 billion in the first year of GTA 6 launch. That's crazy amount of money. Not only Red Redemption 3, the game which I'm excited more than this GTA 6 is Max Payne 102 remake. I used to go to a nearby internet cafe back in India to play this game. I used to pay 10 rupees, 20 rupees for 1 hour, 2 hour. That's the first proper game I ever played. Rockstar have this huge array of games which are really gonna blast the entire world, but this delay is what makes people go very nuts. When we understand what's going around, GTA 6 will be launching somewhere around fall 2025 or maybe early 2026. If we are really unlucky, we have to say that I waited 13 years for this and 13 years for this game. First of all, the gaming community is very vocal right now. If they mess up the game, I mean, after taking this amount of time, if the game is being very bad, this will impact Rockstar's all the revenue. And it happened with Cyberpunk and No Man's Sky. Because they waited a lot, they were super big hype, but when the game released, even I pre-registered and purchased that game for the first day it got released. The game was bad as hell. So what we could believe is Rockstar never ever published a game without a proper background or without making it really good. So let's hope for the best. So with the information I have, GTA 6 will be a standalone game and GTA 6 Online will be another standalone game. So clearly mentioned that they want to clear this open world online gaming era a lot. That's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed and mind my grammar mistakes and my pronunciation. So feel free to comment and see you all in our next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.